There she is. She got hiccup. She got grandma. Grandma's got cutie pie. Cutie pie. She got the hiccups. She's got hiccups. See how cute she is. She's just so cute. She's just so cute. Oh, dang it. Hiccup. No, no, sweetie pie. I don't know what she's looking at. What are you looking at, sweetie pie? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, look at you. Look at you, little cutie pie. Oh, Waverly. You're so adorable. Little girl. We got the hiccups. She got the hiccups. Yes, she does. She got the hiccups, huh? Oh. Where's Mommy? Mommy's getting ready. Your mommy's getting ready, and there's the baby. There she is. Take a good video. I sure wish we had these cameras when my babies were little. Yeah, little cutie pie. She got hiccups. She got hiccups. She's got hiccups. Oh. No. There she is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, little baby. She said, Grandma, I think I might fart. I think, well, maybe not. Look at those big eyes. The beautiful baby girl. So beautiful. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. There she is with her little hands. She got little tiny hands. Yeah, let's see. So she, 3, 4 days old. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Little cutie pie. Little cutie pie. Okay, say bye-bye. Goodbye-bye.